The point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not. Hiccup is not that boy.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself.
300 years and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes. We have dragons.